Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to make the white turnip or Swede. We're going to make a mash today. So we have already washed the sweet potato and we have washed the Swede. So these are our two ingredients for today. Making a mash. So come with me as we make this mash. We have washed everything. We are going to peel. So we peel and then we boil and then we do the mash. Sweet potato. We have another one. We have the turnip, the white turnip. Oh, look at that. That's our Swede. That's our Swede, well peeled. Sweet potatoes are a little bit like tough. Then we are going to do some quarters. It has a distinct flavor. The Swede has a distinct flavor. So hence I'm joining the Swede with the sweet potato to come up with a delicious mash. We are going to have a delicious mash. As I boil this this turnip or this swede, I'll throw the water like maybe twice to make sure I do away with it because it has a little bit of bitterness. Now it's time to bring this to the boil. Now we have our turnip there, our swede is there. We bring this to boil. We give them maybe about 15 minutes. They'll be done. The sweet potatoes are bubbling in there. Soon they will be ready. I'll just check them with a fork and see if they are ready. So I'm going to throw out the water and then add fresh water. We just put some fresh water in the swede. Is starting to boil again. The potato is cooking well there. We are going to include the amazing leek in the mash, in the Swede and sweet potato mash. We're going to include the leek. So I'm going to just wash this leek thoroughly. So we make a slit. We make a slit here. Make a slit, and then I'm going to use a few of the leaves. I'm going to use these ones. So these are our leek leaves we are going to use. We use these ones, so they need to be washed thoroughly. So we wash them thoroughly. So we have the dishcloth here, then you can just wrap them in like this. Just dry them. Dry the leeks and then bring them to the cooker. So our leeks are dry. Just remove excess moisture. So we are frying the leeks in olive oil, frying the leeks in olive oil until they are tender. The sweet potatoes are soft now. The aroma is beautiful. The leeks give a beautiful aroma. We add a little bit of salt to the leeks. Add a bit of salt. We add a little bit of black pepper, ground black pepper. it's this. So that's ground black pepper. It always makes me sneeze, you know. We add to the leeks. Oh, they look. So we just give them a turn. They are shrinking. This is the sign that they are nearly done. The leeks are nearly done. So after this, we are going to drain our two main ingredients. Drain the swede or the turnip and drain the sweet potato. So draining time now. We have our sweet here, so we just put in the coriander. There we go. The sweet goes there. We've drained the sweet. Then we put in the mixing bowl. We're draining the sweet potato. Here we go. So our sweet potatoes are there. Our sweet potatoes are there. Then we mix together. Look at those. That's the swede there, or the turnip. The white as snow. It's white as snow. Then we are going to mix with the sweet potato. Sweet potato goes in. Wow, look at that. So beautiful, so beautiful. So now it's time to mash these two together. We're going to mash them together. Let's mash them when they're still hot. So mashing time now. Swede and sweet potato. Turnip and sweet potato. Here we go. Sweet and sweet potato. Let's mash until it's well mashed. Mash until it's well mashed. Wow, that looks beautiful. That looks beautiful. Wow, it looks really beautiful. If you feel the mash is a bit like not smooth, you can always add a little bit of, some people add milk. You can always add a little bit of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt, there we go. 1 tablespoon. Then we keep on mashing. We keep on just mashing to just have that beautiful consistency. You know, wow, this is amazing. We keep on mashing. All is done. Now fold in the leeks. So they go into the mash. The leeks go into the mash. The cooked leeks go into the mash. Then next thing is just to fold in. We are going to fold in let's just fold them in, fold the leeks in. Oh, that looks awesome. Fold in the leeks. Fold in the leeks. So this is our beautiful mash. That's our beautiful mash. You can serve the mash with any other savory dish you like. There is our beautiful mash. You can drop in some leaves of oregano. You can drop in some leaves of oregano. Dropping some leaves of oregano or any other herb of your choice. That's our mash. And you can also we need to give this mash a taste. Let's give it a taste. Let's give this mash a taste. It tastes so good. The leeks and the black pepper, and also if you want, you can top up with a bit of butter. You know, you can top up with a bit of butter. This is really delicious. So butter will give it an extra creamy taste, you know, an extra creamy taste. The mash is really delicious. Look at that. Look at that. I hope you have enjoyed this video, you know, and you know, just try this recipe. It's really delicious. The potatoes and the Swede have just come together to form this delicious, you know, combination. And the leeks have made it really yummy. Wow, look at that. It's so delicious.